All right, Dr. Cook here. I want to talk to you real quick about using Blackboard's Collaborate as your way to do your video lessons. So you can see here I've logged into my class. This is my homepage. And over here on the left, I've got this online learning space. Okay, that's what's going to take us there. Now, if you need to add that, you go to the plus. It's a tool link. And then in the drop down, you're going to pick the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. You can name it whatever you want. And go ahead and add it that way, and then drag and drop it wherever you need it. And when we go into the learning space, it's going to load up Collaborate Ultra, and you can see there's the different sessions here. Now everything's going to come with this default room that'll already be there. The rest of these you have to set up. So if you want to create one of these, you hit create a session, and this opens up. We can give it a name, test. As soon as I do that, it'll set up these things. And I won't explain the entire Collaborate Ultra, how to use all of it, because Blackboard has given us a good playlist, and just the user interface tour is a pretty good way to start out, so you can learn how to use all of these things. But we just make sure that we've got a start and end time, and those can be pre-done. We can leave it open with no end, so that we can just have it be the room for class or something like that. So we're going to go ahead and save this. So now I've got this test B. And then I can click on it to enter it and hit join session, and it'll load up. Now, because I came from Blackboard, it's going to already have my name because it knows my user account. It'll be tied to that. I can turn on my audio and it checks it, or my video. I can turn on my audio. You can see it highlights up and down as I'm speaking. Now, you can do all the different tools in here, but the one we're interested is in this start recording. So we expand the menu and hit start recording, and now my session is being recorded. So we can have all of our interactions. We can use the tools that are in here and go ahead and say we're sharing the whiteboard. All right, draw that, share with our students. Okay, I'm done with that. Maybe I need to share an application screen. So I can choose an application that I want to talk about and share with everyone in the class. Okay, here's something else that was online. And then when I'm done with my class, we can come in here and we can just stop the recording. And the recording has stopped. And that's really it. We can leave our session by closing it out, and then we're back here in the Blackboard. Now, let's say we came back some other time. We come back into our space. By default, Collaborate Ultra just shows us the sessions we can log into, but there's a little menu item over here. If we open that, we'll see besides the sessions, there's also recordings. So when you click on that, it'll show you different recordings. Now, these are some from earlier. They seem to take about 5 minutes to populate, but you can come back in here and select those. You can click on one and click watch now, and it will load up the video that you recorded. It's loading. And then you can click play, and I'll mute this so that we don't go over our audio here on this. But you can see it was a test recording that I had already done. Okay, we can stop that. And that's it. And that's all you have to do. Because we recorded it in Blackboard, it is now available in Blackboard. All of the options are over here on the side. So we can copy the link and email the link directly to our students. We can rename it. And they have our video. That's all I'm going to show you on this. We just have to set up Ultra and add it in. It's a tool link, and then use it for sessions to conduct our classes, and make sure we start and stop recordings. And then the recordings automatically populate inside Blackboard for our students to go in and watch them again later. So good luck.